how you can use or open your zip files. Now this is really simple, so before I teach you guys how to do that, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our future videos. Now let us start. First, let us just go to the zip file, open your file explorer and search for the zip file. There you go, I have this zip file right here. Let me show you, let me change the view for it. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have the zip file right here. Now to extract it, all I have to do is right click on it, and there is an extract option right here. Now I can use this option too, but the other option that I can use is by using a third-party app that's called WinRAR right here. Now you will have to download it first. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Just open up your web browser and search for WinRAR. Now there is a download option right here. Tap on it. Now just tap on scroll down and tap on download WinRAR. You can download it for free. After you do that, you will be able to just click on this and go to WinRAR and extract files right here. Now just select all the files that you want to extract. You can select the locations. After you do that, tap on OK and it will get extracted. So as you can see now right here, my file's been extracted. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you extract file from a zip file. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.